Our next speaker was not born into wealth or even the middle class. For most of his childhood, he and his 6 siblings lived in a shack with no running water and no electricity. Outside the home, he and his younger brothers and sisters resorted to dumpsters for food and clothing. Inside the home, daily life meant coping with a violent father addicted to drugs and alcohol. At the age of 15, he left home taking nothing except a promise he made to himself to succeed in life so that those he cared about would never experience the poverty that very few could imagine. Not long after, he enlisted in the National Guard, where he served his country for 15 years as a crew chief on a medevac helicopter. Then, at the age of 21, fueled by a desire to help and protect people, he became a firefighter in Colorado, a career that would last until his retirement in 2005. Still driven by a desire to protect, the promise he made to himself as a child to succeed financially would become a promise he would make to the world. That promise inspired the creation of Fortress, a company founded with the purpose to educate and empower the public on money and credit. Over the last 11 years, he has fulfilled the promise he made by helping tens of thousands of people improve their credit and finances through education and inspiration. And that ever-growing list includes some of the world's most recognizable people.
Fortress is one of the fastest growing and most successful credit repair and coaching companies in the country, for good reason.
He has spoken on stages around the world in front of thousands of people, including Harvard University. He's also appeared on nearly every television network. He's been heard on over 2,000 radio broadcasts nationwide and is currently the host of the School of Wealth. He's also been featured in the Wall Street Journal and Inc. magazine. He is the CEO and founder of Fortress, America's most successful paid-on-results credit repair and coaching company. Please welcome to the stage, Rondi Lambeth.